Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So now it's time to do the must-do deals for CVS next week. And it is another amazing week at CVS. Tons of great savings on such a wide variety of items. And of course, we have another hot PG deal. So stay tuned. I have 7 amazing must-do deals and 2 different scenarios for items you can buy for the PG deal. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. Take a second and hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. If you haven't checked out my must-do deals for Walgreens yet, definitely head over there after this and enter in my newest giveaway. Super excited to share that with you guys. Some really cute press-on nails that don't damage your nails at all, and I have been wearing them myself all week and absolutely love them. So tons of great deals at Walgreens as well. I will be going back to Dollar General tomorrow, Friday, and doing a Gain scenario. Need to restock up on Gain, and we got a 5 off of 20 this time, which is awesome. So lots of great savings going on the channel this week. Let's go ahead and dive into CVS. The first deal is on Dove Hair Care. They are buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. It is a limit of 1. If you're new to couponing at CVS or couponing in general, you can look in the ad. It'll tell you right there what the limit is for how many times you can do the deal and how many times you will get the extra buck back. So for this, it's a limit of 1. And this little symbol here means we are going to be getting a send to card coupon. It just doesn't say how much it will be. So we will have to wait until Sunday to see what that amount will be for this deal. Without it, we do have a coupon from the 8 to Retail Me Not. So the deal I put together, you'll grab 2 of them for $8. Use that 3 off of 2 coupon. You'll pay $5 out of pocket, get back a $2 extra buck, making your final cost $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. So definitely not a bad price point. Also, scan this receipt to fetch rewards. Dove is a bonus item, so you will get some additional points. And if you're new to Fetch Rewards, here is my code, J24VT. When you sign up, scan any receipt that you have laying around your house, a grocery receipt, anything like that. Within the first 7 days, you will get an additional 2,750 points. I always cash out my Fetch Rewards for CVS gift cards. That way I can pay $0 out of pocket when I shop at CVS. So that always makes the deals even more amazing. Garnier is buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. Tons of hair care deals going on this next week as well. So if you missed out on any the current week, that is okay. Next week, you'll definitely be able to restock. So you can get the Garnier Fructis or you can get the whole blends. They are buy 2, get a $2 extra buck, and they're both 2 for $7. We got a 4 off of 2 coupon in the 8 to Retail Me Not. So now you'll pay $3, get back the $2 extra buck, making your final cost $1 for both or just 50 cents each. And keep in mind, hair care at CVS does track towards beauty. So for every $30 you spend in CVS beauty products, you will get an additional $3 beauty back. For some oral care deals, we have Crest Mouthwash. So this is the really large one, the 1 liter bottle. It is buy 2, get a $3 extra buck, and it is a limit of 2. So if you wanted to buy 4 of them, you would get a $6 extra buck. I just have it to where you're going to be grabbing 2 of them. They're $3.99 each. You can use 1 digital coupon and 1 from the August PG insert. I have to check the expiration date on that one though. I haven't checked to see if it'll still be good. Then you're going to use a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT if you have it. You'll pay $3.98, get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost 98 cents for both or 49 cents each. Definitely a stock up price because that is a huge bottle of mouthwash. And now for some Crest Toothpaste. So they are on sale next week. Buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. It is a limit of 2 as well. So one thing you can put together is grabbing 3 of the Crest for $3.99. You can use the $2 Crest digital coupon. The other Crest coupons we had in the August P&G expire this Saturday. So if you have a couple left over, there are some amazing deals at Walgreens that are moneymakers using those. So definitely make sure that they don't go to waste and you can stock up on some free toothpaste at Walgreens this week. So for this deal at CVS, I also put together with a 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. If you have a $3 whitening CRT, I always send that CRT to my card. That way I can click shop this deal, figure out exactly which toothpaste it's attaching to. That way I don't have any issues at checkout. But without that CRT, you'll pay $6.97. Get back a $5 extra back, making your final cost $1.97 for all three, or 66 cents each. So anything under $1 for toothpaste, I absolutely think is a stock-up price. Of course, we have been getting spoiled recently at Walgreens with the freebies and the moneymakers, which are also way better. But if you don't have a Walgreens near you, or you really just want to stock up on some toothpaste, still a great, great deal. Dove body wash. Love when we get some Dove body wash deals because it is so expensive and we usually don't get very many high value coupons. So the Dove men and the women's are included. They're $7.49, and when you buy one, you'll get a $2 extra buck. This deal is a limit of one. So what I put together is the Dove men's. We are getting a $2 coupon in our Sunday Retail Me Not insert. And if you have a 2 off of 6 body wash CRT, definitely add that with this deal. You'll pay $3.49, get back the $2 extra buck, making your final cost just $1.49. Again, it is a Dove item, so make sure you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards for even more bonus points. If you need to stock up on some deodorant, Speedstick is definitely going to be the way to go next week. And stay tuned. Sometimes we'll get like a $2 off to or $1 off to Speedstick Deodorant CRT. So fingers crossed we all get some great CRTs this upcoming week. They are 2 for $6 next week, and when you buy 2, you'll get a $2 extra back. So if you go to speedstick.com, you can print off 50-cent coupons, and it works on both of them, the men's or the women's. So what you can do is use 2 of those. We also have 2 app-only coupons for Speedstick, so make sure you clip those, send them to your card. Don't make the mistake that I made the current week. I completely forgot to send them to my card and then I missed out. So make sure you send those to your card before you go shopping. That way you don't have any issues. That'll take off $2, so you will pay $4, get back a $2 extra buck. Final cost is $2 for both, or just $1 each. And if you prefer Colgate, also going to be a great deal for oral care. This is also a limit of 2. So when you buy 2, you will get a $4 extra buck, and they're going to be $2.99 each. So grabbing 2 of them at $2.99, that'll bring you to $5.98. You will use 2 50-cent coupons we got in the 8-2 Smart Source. If you want to do the deal twice, you can use up to 4 coupons. The limit is 4 on that Colgate coupon, so you can do that as well. And keep a lookout. I have been getting like 3 off of 10 Colgate CRTs or 3 off of 12 Colgate CRTs. So if you have those, you can cater the deal, do it twice, and be able to use that CRT as well. Then it would be a small moneymaker. Without that, you'll pay $4.98, get back a $4 extra buck, making it just 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. So now I have 2 different scenarios for you for the PG deal. And this week, it's actually spend $40, get a $10 extra back. We've been getting spoiled with the spend $30, but still going to be some great, great savings. This is a limit of 1. So I just gave you 2 scenarios in this video. Pick whichever one you want. Of course, you can mix and match to whatever is going to work for you and your family. So for this scenario, you would grab 3 Pantene at $12. 1 92-ounce Tide for $11.94, one of the smaller Tide Pods at $4.94, Now for the Always in Tampax, they're buy one, get one half off. I just don't know what varieties are going to be included, so that may change. We have to wait on Sunday and see what winds up being included in the deal. So what I put together is the Always Flex Foam, they're $5.99, and the Tampax Radiant, half off would be $2.99. Then grab one Gain Liquid at $4.94, bringing your total to $42.80. So for the coupons to use with this deal, you're going to want to use the 5 off of 3 Pantene Digital. Hopefully you haven't used it yet. We're not going to be getting another one, but the paper coupon from the August PG does expire on Saturday, which is a bummer. So we're not going to be able to use the paper version of that. If you have a 3 off of 12 hair care CRT, definitely want to use that with this deal. Then we've had a $3 Tide Liquid Digital and a $2 Tide Pod Digital. If you don't have the digitals, you can use the ones from the August PG. They don't expire until the 29th. $2 coupon from the August PG again for Tampax, and $2 for the Always. Then on Sunday in the Retail Me Not, we're getting new Gain coupons. Not every region will get them. I'm trying to order my inserts from a couple different places to figure out where I can get it fastest. I was ordering it from BQ Savings. They're super nice over there. Great customer service. She answers emails super fast, but unfortunately I wind up getting my inserts on Monday or Tuesday, which means I can't use them until Tuesday night or Wednesday. So that's kind of throwing off my deal. So I did order it from Coupons for You that one of my subscribers mentioned. So fingers crossed I will get them at least by Saturday. Once I find another great place to order some inserts offline, I of course will share that with you guys. So total for all of these coupons is going to be $19. Here is the final breakdown. After you take off the coupons, you'll pay $23.80, get back that $10 extra buck, making your final cost $13.80 for 8 items, or just $1.72 each, which is not a bad deal because we are getting a ton of laundry products, including that huge Tide liquid, for just $1.72. Make sure you scan this receipt to the pggoodeveryday.com rewards. That way you can get 50 points back per item. Maximum is 250 points per receipt. So if you're doing a lot of PG deals, the Crest, for example, that is another PG item. I would do that on a separate receipt. That way you can submit the different receipts and maximize your points back. For my second scenario, I wanted to add in the Pampers. You can get some really cheap Pampers next week. And I know diapers are so expensive, so I thought this would be a great scenario. So what you would do is grab 2 Head & Shoulders at $12, 2 Herbal Essences for $12 as well, and then of course the 2 Pampers on sale, 2 for $20 next week. That brings your total to $44. The coupons, we have a 2 off of 2 digital for the Pampers, a 3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders digital, 4 off of 2 Herbal Essences digital coupon. I sometimes get a 3 off of 10 Herbal Essences CRT, or if you have a 4 off of 18 hair care CRT, you can definitely use that as well. That'll take off an additional $1. If you have a 3 off of 15 diaper CRT, you definitely want to add that. Every once in a while, I'll get like a $3 off Huggies or $2 off Pampers, something like that. So if you are trying to do this deal, just check your CRTs on Sunday, see if there's anything else that you can add. Total is going to be $15 for coupons. So your final breakdown for this, after the coupons come off, you're going to pay $29 out of pocket. You can use extra bucks, of course. So if you want to use $29 of extra bucks, you can. You'll still get the $10 in extra bucks back. You don't have to worry about that. So your final cost is $19 for 6 items, or $3.16 each. Still not a bad deal. That is about half off for the original price of the hair care. And of course, like 70% off, something like that for the Pampers. So definitely a great price point. That is all of the must-do deals I have for you guys for CVS next week. If you have any questions, of course, just drop a comment. Don't forget to hit that like button for me. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you next time.